Engineered with legendary capability, versatility, and safety, your Subaru Outback is designed to take you on any journey, whether you're minutes or miles away from home. The Outback Wilderness will help you tackle tougher terrain as you strive to discover new territory. Whatever Outback you choose, you'll be equipped for any adventure with genuine Subaru accessories. Include genuine Subaru accessories in your monthly payment plan. It's a convenient option and ideal way to reduce your upfront expenses. Talk to your sales consultant for more details. Join us as we take a look at just a few of the many genuine Subaru accessories available for the Subaru Outback and Outback Wilderness. It's reliable and equipped for any excursion. Help keep its adventure-ready practicality and distinctive style intact with genuine Subaru protection and security accessories. Body side moldings are not only color-matched to complement the styling of your vehicle, they help protect your doors from dents. And door edge guards help protect your door edges from dings and chips while seamlessly blending into the door design. Roll your windows down to let fresh air in and keep inclement weather out. Compared to aftermarket parts, Subaru side window deflectors are engineered for a seamless fit and evaluated for water intrusion. Splash guards help protect the paint finish from stones and road grime. And mud flaps not only preserve your paint finish, but also help protect the undercarriage from rust and corrosion, help minimize water, dirt, and mud spray, and prevent minor road debris from kicking up behind your vehicle. Special edition mud flaps complement the rugged features of the Outback Wilderness. Engineered to precisely fit the footwell area, all-weather floor liners help protect the interior carpet from spills, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. And carpeted floor mats help protect the vehicle carpet. With embroidered logo and colored stitching, they also add to the appearance of the cabin area. Lower your rear seats to transport extra cargo without worry. The rear seat back protector provides additional protection to the rear seat backs. And the cargo sidewall protector extends protection to the cargo area wheel well trim panels. This accessory is texture and pattern matched with the rear seat back protector and cargo tray to create a seamless appearance. Add front seat covers to help keep your seats clean and tidy, protecting them from spills, stains, dust, and dirt. With full coverage and custom-fit design, they help protect the seat backs and seat back pocket from wear and tear. Whether you let a map or your intuition guide you, your Subaru Outback is prepared to take you on the next great adventure. Load up all the gear you need for the life you love. Transform your vehicle into a home away from home. The rooftop tent by Thule not only provides more living space for you, it also gives you more space for your gear. Easy to deploy once you complete the initial setup. The tent comfortably sleeps up to 3 people, features panoramic skylights and windows to keep you cool and the tent well ventilated. Provide shelter from the sun and rain, and expand your outdoor living space with the Thule awning. This accessory can be used in conjunction with the Thule rooftop tent or other genuine Subaru rooftop accessories. Depending on your choice of bike and preference for transporting, there are a variety of bike carriers for you to choose from. Carry your bike from above with the roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier. Or haul your bikes behind you with the hitch-mounted bike carrier, available with either 2-bike or 4-bike capacity. The hitch platform carrier is also available and designed to transport bikes with carbon frames, mountain or downhill bikes, e-bikes, or fat bikes. Preparing for adventures on the water? Safely transport your kayak or your paddleboard. And if mountain adventures are calling, transport your skis or boards with the Thule ski and snowboard carrier. Increased rooftop storage so you can carry all the gear you need as you head for the horizon. The Thule Cargo Carrier, Thule Cargo Carrier Extended, or heavy-duty roof cargo basket offer additional cargo carrying capacity. Safe and spacious, every journey you take in your Subaru Outback will feel like a first-class travel experience. Add genuine Subaru accessories to help you explore with ease. Begin your next adventure in comfort with a remote engine starter. With the push of a button, you can start your Outback and adjust its interior temperature before even entering the vehicle. The popular upgraded mirror accessory offers multiple functions. It darkens automatically to protect your eyes from headlight glare, It can be programmed to operate select home functions and also features an 8-point digital compass. Secure your items in the cargo area to help keep them from rolling around with the cargo net. The net can be used in two ways. Either anchor it to the sides of the cargo area or lay it across the floor. The sunshade helps reduce the interior temperature of your Outback up to 40 degrees, ideal for warm weather adventures. And the second row sunshade dulls sun glare and provides UVA and B protection to passengers in the back seat. This hands-free accessory securely holds your mobile phone and can be tilted in a variety of angles. It also includes a tray to conveniently hold small personal belongings. Your passion to explore will lead you to destinations you'll love. Elevate your audio experience and hear the call of adventure with the CD player and the tweeter kit. Stay connected while you travel the great outdoors with the wireless charger. Packaged in a Subaru branded storage case, the set of 4 USB charging cables are an option for you and your passengers to quickly charge mobile devices. They're designed in signature Subaru blue and offer superior quality and durability compared to typical aftermarket cables. Help keep your pets safe and comfortable on all your adventures together with genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories. Let's take a look at a few of them now. Buckle up your dog in the crash-tested Center for Pet Safety certified pet harness, designed to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. For your canine or feline, the pet carrier and mobile pet bed can be used as a car seat to keep your pet safe during any road trip. And the collapsible pet kennel safely secures your dog in the cargo area of the vehicle. They're both ideal for travel and everyday transport. Help keep the interior of your Outback protected from nail scratches, pet hair, muddy paws, and infamous dog drool with the pet-friendly padded seat protector. Seat cover rear, pet rear door protector, and console lid protector. Increase the back seat resting area for your dog to stretch out comfortably during long trips. The organizer and rear seat extender helps keep your pet calm and comfortable by filling the gap between the front and rear seat, and also provides an organized compartment to store pet gear or other personal items. Add a personal touch with genuine Subaru-style accessories to show the world what you're really made of. Adventure looks good on you and your Subaru Outback. Door cladding is an extension of the lower door trim, designed to accentuate the rugged, ready-for-anything appearance of your Outback. Exterior graphics add a stylish touch to the lower door panels and are available in Sport Orange for the Outback, and an anodized copper to perfectly match the bold accents of the Outback Wilderness. Exterior graphics for the side rear windows of the Outback Wilderness are also available. Illuminate the dark corners of the front floor area with a gentle white glow with the Footwell Illumination Kit. To enhance the illumination of the standard visor lights, the LED upgrade provides a more flattering bright white interior lighting. And the door projector lights add to the styling by projecting a silhouette of the Outback vehicle onto the ground when the front door is open. Thanks for joining us to see just a few of the accessories available to elevate every travel experience into an adventure of a lifetime. Be sure to talk to your sales consultant to learn about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories for your Subaru Outback. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.